Hello viewers, hope you're doing well. Today in this video, I'm going to subscribe and post comment in React application. So let's get started. Let's navigate to the VS Code. As you can see, the app function. Inside this, I'm going to uncomment this use state. With this, I'm going to remove these hard-coded comments. After that, inside this use effect hook, I'm going to subscribe the comment WebSocket. Inside this use effect hook, I'm going to subscribe the comments. So as you can see, we are calling here the subscribe method from client. Inside this, we have the WebSocket URL /topic/comments. After that, we have the callback parameter message. Inside this, we have to convert the message body to JSON and set to the comment use state. Now after that, I'm going to create here the function with the name send comment. Inside this, we have the if condition. If a comment text not empty, then I'm going to create the object of comment, where the first key text with a value comment text, second key that we have timestamp with a value new day dot to ISO string. After creating the object, we have to call here the WebSocket of comment. So the destination that we have /app/comment. In the body, we have to pass here the comment in the form of a JSON, and we have to call here the use state set comment text to make it empty. Now let me create this use state on the top. So as you can see, the use state for comment text, that is by default the empty string. Now after getting this function, I'm going to add the HTML code inside the return statement. So as you can see, a div for scrollable comments. After that, I'm going to add here the tag for div. Inside this, I'm going to add here the tag for input, where we have a property value that is used to show the default value of the comment text use state. After that, we have a onChange event. On this event, we have to get the input value and clone to this use state. After the input tag, I'm going to add here the tag for button. On a onClick event, we are calling here the function send comment. Now you can take a look of the app component. Let's navigate to the browser. So as you can see, the input for comment. With this, we have the send button. Now I'm going to add here the comment like good drawing. Let's click on the send button. As you can see, we got here the comment inside the comments section. Let's navigate to the second tab. We're getting here the comment as well. From the second tab, I'm going to publish another comment. Awesome. Let's click on the send button. As you can see, we got here the comment. So that's all for now from my side. Thanks for watching.